All right, today we're going to program some remotes on this Tahoe. This one came with this really attractive aftermarket metal key that somebody got at probably Ace Hardware. So what we bought were two of these, along with the correct style key. So today we'll program the remotes, and at some point I'll go to Lowe's and get the keys cut. Now, if I remember this correctly, by the way, welcome to the journey with me, because it's been a while. We're going to hold down this unlock button.
The switch is a little sticky, so I'm a little worried.
So when that unlock button doesn't work, we're going to probably have to use the Tech 2. I'll be back. So since the unlock button does not work on this driver's door, one more thing I got to add to the list, we're going to use the Tech 2 to do this. All right. This is the screen we're on. Probably not going to be able to see that, but we're going to try to program the fob. Programming active. Look at that. She works. All right, boys and girls. We're done there. So, on to the next thing.